Yeah. Okay. Power buggies are bringing the concrete up these mats. That way we keep the driveway cleaner. Build a little ramp over this. We'll see how this works. The mixer brought expansion. Huh? Oh, don't worry about it then. There wasn't joint there before. Go easy. There we go. Tight squeeze. There you go. You're a pro jumper, Steve. Yeah, if you have it, let's put it in here.
All the way across?
I know it's just a small walk. Air conditioners, wall, deck, steps. Not moving real fast through here, but always keep pushing forward if you have the right amount of help. While I'm doing this, I'll show you behind me what's going on in 1 second. We have a little swale going right there for water, and now this water heads that way. Rather than have the buggies and guys wait on me to straight edge through here, they started at the other end of the turnaround pad, and they're getting that poured. I'll be there in 30 seconds. 3 feet to go. Whenever I come back through here to edge this, I want concrete to be up to the right elevation. It's Friday.
Slide that mat over.
$23 feet to go. All light. That's better. Last buggy. Get one more, we'll spread a little. I want to make sure we have 10 yards to make it. It's going to be close. I think we got it in here, right? Making sure my expansion is up to the right height. We put clips on them, but it still moves a little bit. Just got to keep an eye on it. Always something to look at. Okay, coming in, we're going to spread him. Ryan, grab his hose, pull it to the front yard. I didn't know if you'd want to feed him.
Yeah.
Voila. All ready for our next round, same way. Had the homeowners open a door, Corvette right inside there, so covered up the back end with plastic, garbage cans around it. We won't even walk beside it. I was talking last night about the pad spacing on this, so I've been thinking about it all night here. Last night, I didn't like the 8-footers that we had coming down here. They were too small. It would look too busy. So I don't know why. Originally there was a 13-footer in the middle, and once that cracked, it got cracked started everywhere. It worked out real good. We were able to run our 11s right down it. It was 33 3 inches, so 11'1" worked perfect. Just wanted to talk about that since I made a big deal about it yesterday. Okay, one cut in. We do it with a straight edge and hand joiners, perfectly straight every time, almost every time. Steve's cutting up the sidewalk. Now on this one, we want our 6-inch edger to come right through there. So what he'll do, we have rebar tying that together. What he'll do, he cut a piece of joint in half. He'll just tuck it down in the groove. And then our edger can pass on through.
Oh my gosh.
What do you... I only have so much battery life.
I'm gonna get a charger.
They're all broken. Voila. A little bit better separation there too. A lot of stress on these corners. That way if it wants to move a little bit more free too, but it's not going anywhere. If that makes sense. All right, 2 cuts there. Start rubbing this yet, Matt? How's it feel out there in the middle? Another minute. 60 your fingers, don't touch it. Yep. Won't be long. We'll have this done in minutes. Tony's on his way back. Threat of rain, they're saying in a little while, but man, it sure doesn't seem like it. Okay, get a sip of water. Hey, there it is. Go and get a drink of coffee. We'll be right back. Okay, first round is done. They're just touching up some edging. Now I can pull these pins. This one's easy. I throw a hammer right there, then in the pour, I can get that out. Now this can go away. Now that leaves our expansion joint in place. Watch the nail in the end here. And we have the pad separated by 1/2 inch expansion joint. Getting warm, getting warm. Hottest day of the week today. Everything's edged. Room's real nice. I think Steve's getting ready to put a splash of sealer on it. We'll probably do that right before we pour. Let this tighten up a little bit more. Yeah. Matt's pulling the pins. Remember I said the nails were halfway in. Watch how easy they come out. Okay, so I dig a little hole here for somebody's hand. Matt, you with me? Okay. We'll drawing this out of the way. One more. Now as Matt picks it up, I tuck concrete underneath it. Everybody knows not to walk first. Yeah, on the middle. Good. time to talk. Now with the board gone and concrete there, you can see I'm just floating it right to our expansion joint. Not pushing the joint down. I'm looking over here and here. Now we can edge that. I jump back about 10 feet. Somebody else can take the rest. I'm going to start straight edge. Bit wet up there by the house in the shade. In the meantime, Joe, what have we been up to? A little landscaping,
yeah,
building some walls.
We built that wall.
Tidying up driveway, road, nice and clean.
Yep.
And I like showing that so that our future customers know what to expect. That's why they should hire TSH Concrete.
There we go.
Super employees that I have, we make it possible.
Cool.
Figured I'd get some reaction from the gang.
Nothing.
Nothing. It's Friday, get done. Alright, 3 pads of the broom. Putting our finished edge everywhere, picture framing it. SRT going on next. Rain due at 1 o'clock up there. I'll wait until we're done sealing and we'll uncover the Corvette in there. I don't want anything blowing on that. The homeowner trusted us. We won't let him down.
Yep. Already got yelled at. Getting too close to it.
You walk beside it. None of us make enough money to correct that one. Maybe Jim. Matt's going to go up the joint on his knee boards. That's how we get the middle, in case you were wondering. Oh my gosh. No problem. What's that? You owe me 20.
Yeah, you owe me 20 for tipping Tony the other day.
Oh, yeah.
Last week.
I didn't know what you meant there.
Yeah. I probably did. Right over that thing, expansion.
I don't like it pulls out debris.
Hey, he is doing the whole thing. You want to go halfway?
Trying to get done in the sun. We'll leave the shade area go just for another minute. Get a close up of that broom mark. That's what we're looking for. A nice soft broom. Doesn't tear the concrete, just gives us some texture.
Yep.
Put this in the shade. So it's ready to go. Talk to you in a minute. Alright, all done. SRT'd. We put the grass chunks back in, uncovering the Corvette. I'll feed him the hose. We'll get this place wrapped up here. Very little landscaping needed. All right. Voila. And that's a wrap. Oh, I'll bet that felt good.
Oh, it did.
All right, let's go.